Starting with numerical number 17, a Roland ring of mean radius. Okay, we have mean radius, that is 15 centimeter, that is 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, has 3000 turns. Now capital N is 3500. Found on a ferromagnetic core of relative permeability. Okay, relative permeability is 800. What is the magnetic field B? Magnetic field B in the core of for a magnet. Okay, in the core of a magnetizing current. Yes, in the core for a magnetizing current of, so your current is 1.2 ampere. What is Roland's ring? It is a ring, and on this ring the wire is wound. So what will be the magnetic field in the core? What will be the magnetic field in the core for a magnetizing current? If current 1.2 ampere is passing through this wires, then what will be the magnetic field in the core? Now this is nothing but a solenoid. You can consider a solenoid which is curved in this form. या solenoid को दो ends है solenoid के, ये ऐसा होता है ना, और उस पर बांधते हैं वायर्स. तो इनको अगर मैं ज्वाइन कर दूँ सर्कल में, ये दो एंड्स को ज्वाइन कर दूँ सर्कल बना के, तो दैट बिकम्स अ रोलैंड रिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज़ मीन रेडियस? ये अंदर और ये बाहर का डिस्टेंस मिला के मीन रेडियस फाइंड आउट किया है लोग ने. दिस इज़ द सेंटर फ्रॉम सेंटर. ओके, तो फॉर्मूला है म्यू नॉट म्यू आर एन आई. सिंपल. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Mu r is 800. N, now this n is number of turns per unit length. Number of turns, और यहाँ पर कौन सी यूनिट लेंथ पे है? सर्कमफ्रेंस पे. दैट इज़ 2 पाई मीन रेडियस. सो 3500 2 पाई इंटू 15 into 10 raised to minus 2. 2 pi into mean radius. Now then I, that is 1.2. So pi gets cancelled from here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. 5 0s are 0. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 0s are 0. 3 4s are 12. Now what we have, we'll take this 10 raised to minus 2 and 10 raised to minus 7 cancel करो. 10 raised to minus 7 6 5. 10 raised to minus 5 बचा. Now 2 4s are 8, that is 0.8. 7 8s are 56. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, so you can multiply these two digits, and 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Let's multiply say 56 with 0.8. 6 8s are 48, 4 5 8s are 40, 44, 0 6 are 0, 0 5 are 0, 8 4 4. After one digit we have points, so it is 44.8. I can shift the point, that becomes 4.48 Tesla. This is the magnetic field. And the core of the magnet, in the core of the Roland ring, when the magnetizing current is 1.2 ampere, means if this is the current flowing through the wires which is wound on this ring, then the magnetic field produced will be 4.48 Tesla if the current is this. Okay.